be showing you guys how to make a Jamaican vegan ginger cake. Let's get into it. First of all, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. So what you need is 225 grams of self-rising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, cinnamon, mixed spice, and a tablespoon of ginger powder. And then we're going to mix it all in. Now that's all done, we're going to move on to our wet ingredients. So for this part, you would need 115 grams of vegan butter, 115 grams of treacle. Just remember, this is very sticky, so it will be very tricky to place into your pot. So just bear with me if it takes a bit of time.
One eternity later.
This is very sticky. $115 grams of golden syrup, and 250 grams of your preferred vegan milk. Now I'm going to heat it up and mix it until it all combines together. Now it's all done, it should look like this, similar to how your gravy would look. Now it's time for the fun part, the bit I've been waiting for, pouring it into my dry ingredients. So we're going to mix it all up until it comes together. It's looking nice. And I mix it up. And I'll see you after it's done. Now that's done, I'm going to place it into my ready greased loaf pan. Then we're going to put this in the oven for 55 minutes. This is going to be nice. I can't wait. Once it's all done in the oven, it should look like this. Now it's time to tuck in. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.